Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this right triangle ABC, as you can see in this given diagram, such that it's only one of the side lengths is known. In other words, this side AB length is 41 units, whereas its other two sides are unknown. And bear in mind that its side lengths are positive integers. And now our task is to show that the area of this triangle is equal to 10 times the perimeter of this very same triangle. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. We are supposed to show that the area of this triangle is 10 times its perimeter. So therefore now our task is to calculate the area of this triangle, and likewise we are going to calculate the perimeter of this triangle as well. However, we can see that only known side is 41 units. This leg and this hypotenuse lengths are unknown. So therefore I'm going to label its side lengths. This side I'm going to label lowercase a. This side is lowercase b, and this side is lowercase c. And now we know that our lowercase a value is going to be 41. So therefore now our task is to find the value of b and c. And now let's recall the Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is lowercase c. Whereas this leg A is 41 units, whereas this leg is B. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got 41 square plus B square equal to C square. Let's simplify. That is going to give us 1681 plus B square equal to C square. And now I'm going to move this B square on the other side. So therefore we are ended up with the C square minus B square is going to be equal to 1681. And now let's recall this famous identity: a square minus b square could be written as a minus b times a plus b. In other words, the difference of these two squares is going to be equal to the product of the difference and the sum. And we are going to apply this identity on the left hand side of this equation. So therefore we could write this one as c minus b times c plus b equals to 1681. And bear in mind that c plus b is bigger than c minus b. In other words, c plus b is going to be bigger than c minus b. And now let's make an observation. We got the product of these two factors on the left hand side. So we are going to break down this number into a factor of 2 as well. So therefore the very first option is going to be 41 times 41, and the other option is going to be 1 times 1681. And now we know that this first option is not feasible since both of these numbers are equal. So therefore we are going to reject this scenario. So therefore we are going to accept this scenario. Since 1 is smaller than 1681. So therefore we conclude that c minus b is going to take up this value of 1, and c plus b is going to take up this value 1681. So therefore our c minus b value is going to be 1, and c plus b value is going to be 1681. I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1 and this one as our equation number 2. So thus we are ended up with these system of two equations, 1 and 2. And now we are going to add these two equations. We can see positive b and negative b, they are gone. So therefore we are ended up with 2 times c equal to 1682. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate c. And here we can see 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore our c value simply turns out to be 841. So thus our hypotenuse c value turns out to be 841. And now we are going to plug this c equals to 841 value in this equation 2. And here I have copied down equation 2, and I'm going to replace this c value with 841 over here, as you can see in this next step. Now I'm going to subtract 841 from both sides to isolate b. And here we can see this is gone. So therefore our lowercase b value simply turns out to be 840. So thus our b value simply turns out to be 840. And here's our next step. We are going to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this triangle is 840, whereas the height is 41. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So a half times our base is 840 times the height is 41. And if we simplify and multiply, that is going to give us 17,220 square units. And now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this triangle ABC as well. We know the perimeter of this triangle is going to be simply the sum of all these three side lengths of this triangle. So let's go ahead and add up those side lengths. 41 plus 840 plus 841. And if we add them, that is going to give us 1722 units. So thus the area of this triangle turns out to be 17,220, and the perimeter is 1722. And now we are going to substitute all those area and the perimeter values in this equation to see whether this statement is true. We know area is 17,220 equals to 10 times 1722. And if we multiply the right hand side, that is going to give us 17,220, and the left hand side is 17,220 as well. So therefore we can see that this statement is valid, since the left hand side is indeed equal to the right hand side. So thus we have proven that the area of this triangle is 10 times the perimeter of this triangle. That's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.